Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into the realm of AI-generated music, this time with a head-to-head comparison between two prominent platforms, Splash Pro and Mubert AI. The links to Splash Pro and Mubert AI are in the description. Splash Pro boasts an extensive library of pre-made tracks across various genres, offering users the flexibility to customize and tweak them to suit their preferences. On the other hand, Mubert AI takes a different approach, generating unique tracks in real time based on user input, resulting in endless possibilities for experimentation. While both platforms offer customization options, Splash Pro takes the lead with its intuitive interface and detailed controls, allowing users to adjust parameters such as tempo, mood, and instrumentation with ease. Mubert AI, on the other hand, relies more on algorithmic variations, providing less control but often surprising users with unexpected compositions. In terms of pricing, Splash Pro offers a subscription-based model with affordable monthly and yearly plans, making it accessible to both casual users and professionals alike. Meanwhile, Mubert AI follows a pay-per-track model, which may be more suitable for those who prefer a pay-as-you-go approach or occasional use. Both platforms offer seamless integration with popular digital audio workstations and streaming services, allowing users to easily incorporate AI-generated music into their projects or playlists. However, Splash Pro edges ahead with its dedicated plugins and extensive compatibility across a wide range of software and devices. When it comes to the quality and consistency of generated music, both platforms excel in delivering polished and professional-sounding tracks. However, some users may find Splash Pro's curated library to offer more consistency in terms of style and production quality compared to the more experimental nature of Mubert AI's real-time generation. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.